You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, vocabulary and medical terms in particular, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up for you here. British English pronunciation, the way it is pronounced in the UK. Gingivitis. 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 Stress on the first syllable. Now, in American English, the way it's pronounced in the US is as gingivitis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.